Hello friends, welcome and namaskar. Back in my channel where we are learning Excel basics. In previous section we learned about clipboard section of Home tab. Now in this current chapter we will focus on font section of Home tab. Font section is also very basic utility of Excel application. Through this we can define and change font type, font size, their color, their border size. We can make them italic, etc. We can also increase or decrease font text size. Dedicated buttons are provided by Excel for that. Font section also provides facility to change the style of text, like making it bold or changing text into italic style or making the underline is also possible with Excel. We can also change border style shown for cell or workbook. Also, font color or cell color can be changed and defined as per the requirement of data representation or as per requirement of the particular user, right? So let's start with some practical example for the same. Let me open Excel which have some data. Okay, so uh, in this data sheet we can see that we have some basic data of a city where we can find name and father's name or address and number of persons available in family are available, right? So right now if we select this or any text, so it is showing font type is calibri and font size is 11, right? So suppose if we want to change address, so either we can choose selected cells and go to this fonts type section and we can change the font type. So whenever we are moving our cursor on a specific font, we can see that text is automatically changing. It is not yet finalized, but system is showing us that how the particular text will look like if we move or if we choose particular font, right? So that is the beauty of Excel. Like if we select this font, right, and suppose we want to change font size, font type of all the text of this east column, then also we can do it like this. I think so. Like this, we can change font type. What if we want to change font size as well? So that is so simple like this. Getting this? So here select 16, then other font size is coming 11 and it is showing 16. Excuse me. And we have some dedicated buttons for this increase or decrease the size of font, right? So through this, it is showing bigger now. So it will increase the font size accordingly. See, and you can see that font size in this column is also increasing. Getting it? And through this button we can decrease font size like this. So this is if we want to mark the particular text as bold like this and control this one, or we can simply press control plus C. Control plus is showing as hotkey for this. So if I choose this and press control B, so the text will be converted as bold or like this. If I want to change the style as italic, then I can press control I. Getting? So if I want to change underline of this, so I can press Control U, right? So this is very basic functionalities of Excel. We will go typical topics as well, but as a beginner, we need to learn about these things as well. And also, you should able to identify particular hotkeys or shortkeys for particular functionality. Like through the Control B, we can mark the text as bold or not, right? Likewise. So we can also change the grid lines, right? Borders of this particular text. So currently, if we print this now, so it will show like that. Like this. That's so, so this will show like this. So there are no borders are coming, and sometime it is required that border should become in particular tabular form so that user can view this uh, perfectly, right? So what we will do here, it is showing borders, but if we print this, it will show as like blank. So there is a border section available. So we can move like this, and we can choose borders. You can see if you want to uh, border at the bottom or top or left or right, right? So these are, everything is possible. Like if I choose this all borders, uh, then what will happen? See, whatever that I have chose or selected as all borders, then system is marking borders with those texts. Getting right? And we can also change the line color like this. See this one. So this is changed. Getting this? You can see brown color is coming, and okay, I can mark it. See, get it? Okay, and we can mark the border. See, so these are all border related options available in Excel. Now we will check that how we can change colors of a particular cell or particular text, right? So for changing color of cell, like if you want to fill the cell, then here is button is available for fill color. And if you want to change the color of text, then there is a dedicated button for this font color. So first we will check font color. Like if I move my cursor on particular font, then it is changing color. Correct? See. So at the time of printing, if we have color printer, then system will print this in this yellow shade. Okay. Now if I change background color, then system is filling background as per selection of color. These these are the things. And one more thing I want to cover in this topic, like we have one shortcut of this font settings. This will open complete settings of fonts, right? So we have so we can change font size, font style, size, and we can mark this straight through like this. See, it is straight through. So for script, you can do it. So it is coming on above like okay. So these are the features available in font section. Hmm. So guys, uh, it's time for wrap up the class. I hope that now you have brief idea of font section and also you can use these in your Excel work. If you want to represent some data to your manager or someone else, and or if you want to like change the style or design the data, then you can do this with this font section and these functionalities, right? So please like and subscribe this video and keep watching channel for latest updates. Thank you. Bye bye.